Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using React 18 and I hope you understand that. And with this React 18, like you all know that we have also started the Java tutorial, which is our project based tutorial, and we covered up the projects using Java. So today I will be telling you that how we can just build an amazing project using Java. Moving forward, I will be telling you that what project we are building through Java and how we are building it from start to end. So today we are building an amazing art and photo gallery using Java, and I'll be telling you that how we are building this amazing art and photo gallery using Java from start to end. So if you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. And also remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So now we'll be starting with our video, and we'll be seeing that how we are building this project through Java of art and photo gallery, and what are the things included in this project from start to end, and how we are building it through Java. And we have also built many of the projects using Java previously, and you can check that out because that will also giving you help. So now we'll be starting with our video from start and seeing how we can build this amazing art and photo gallery using Java. So just like I'm telling you that we are just building our today's project using Java, and we will be just using this project here using Java, and we are just building the project of art and photo gallery like I'm telling you that. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are building this art and photo gallery. So for building this project, I will be closing all my files and folders from here, taking a new window from here, and I will be closing my previous window which I am having directly. After closing this, you have to open your folder. So I am just getting my folder on desktop. You can see here it is art and photo gallery in Java. So I will be opening this folder in my VS Code. After opening this folder, these are the files which I will be using here in my project of this art and photo gallery. So after getting these all files, I will be now moving in this folder, and here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now moving here at the top because these are all the script work and we will be not needing these things here directly. So I will be now moving here, and I will be now just removing all the stuff from here. After removing this, we will be now starting our codes here because we are building this project here using Java. So I will be now pressing Ctrl B to close my side panel, and I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser. So here this is our folder art and photo gallery, and this is my main file. So I will be now right clicking this and opening this file here. So after opening this file, I will be closing my file explorer here, and now I will be doing it side by side. So after doing it side by side, I will be just doing one thing. I will be making my coding side bigger from my interface side. Now when you've written this thing, when you've done that, I will be now moving into my title, and after moving into my title, I will be just doing one thing. I will be raising this title from here, and I will be changing my title here because we are just building and working with other thing here. So today I will be now giving it the project as art and photo gallery. So I will be now writing it art and photo gallery like this. Save it, and you can see we have just done this, and we have just written the name of art and photo gallery in Java, or you can write here using Java or with Java. You can add anything here. Save it and reload. You can see now we are just getting art and photo gallery in Java. We are getting an animation effect, but we are not getting our images in photo gallery. So now I will be showing you that how we are getting these all images and how we'll be making the images working here. So for doing this, here you have to now start with the diff class cd hero. So for doing this all things, here you have to now just move after this tag, and you have to write a tag which will be like diff class cd hero. After writing this tag, you have to now just move down here, and then you have to give it the class as cd slider nav. Then I will be now writing here nav class, and I will be now giving the class as navbar. Then you have to just write here diff class which should be like tm navbar. Then I will be now writing here bg. After writing this, you have to now just make it the a tag. Write here class which should be like navbar brand. Then I will be now writing here text uppercase like this. Then you have to move here and then write here href which should be hashtag. Then I will be now writing here class, and in class I'll be writing fa. Then I will be writing here gears. After writing gears, you have to write tm brand icon. Then you have to now just move after this, and here I will be writing multi color like this. And after writing this thing, here you have to move down, write here button, and in button I will be now writing here class navbar toggler. Then here you have to write here hidden lg. Then I will be writing up type is equals to button, and here you have to now write here data toggle is equals to, then I will be writing here collapse. Then you have to now write here data target is equals to, and write here tm navbar. And here you have to now just write a tag which should be like end and hashtag. Then I will be now writing here 9776, and then write like this. Here you have to write diff class, and then I will be now writing here collapse navbar. So here I will be now writing toggle. After writing toggle label, here I will be now just writing a tag here which should be like dash md. Then I will be now writing here text access. Then you have to write here center. Then I will be now writing here text uppercase like this and write here tm navbar. After writing this tm navbar, you have to now just do one thing. I will be now giving it the id as tm navbar, but n should be in capital. Then after writing this tag here, you have to just now move down, right here ul tag. Then I will be now giving it the class here, and in class I will be writing nav bar. Then I will be now writing here nav. After writing this, you have to write here li tag. Then I will be now giving it the class here, and in class I will be now just writing here nav item like this, and here I will be writing active. And after writing active, here you have to write selected. Then after writing this tag, you have to move down, write here a tag, remove this href first, write the class here. In class I will be writing navlink. Then you have to write here href hashtag 0. Then write here data number 1. So here I will be now writing data number 1. Then you have to write here multi 1. Write here span tag. Then you have to give it the class sr only. Then you have to now just write here current. After writing this, you have to now just close this tag here, and here I will be now moving in this. And then after moving this tag, here I will be now moving. After this close li tag, making another li tag. From here I will be writing the class which should be nav item. Then I will be now just writing here a tag, and in a tag I will be writing here class. In class I will be writing nav link, and then here you have to just now write href, write hashtag 0. Then I will be writing here data number 3. After writing this thing, you have to write here multi 2. Then when you've written this thing, just I will be now moving down, right here li, and then same as I will be now giving it the class as nav item. Then you have to now just give it the class here, and in class I will be writing here nav link. Then you have to now just write here href which should be 0, write here data number, and then you have to write here 4. After writing this, you have to write here multi 3. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here hashtag 0 as well, because I have not written here. And then you have to move down, right here li tag, and write here nav item again. And then you have to now just move down, right here a tag, and then you have to give it the class here nav link. So here I will be now writing here nav link, right here href is equals to hashtag 0, and then write here data number 5, and then write here keep in touch. So here I will be writing this, save it. And then after writing this tag here, you have to now just do one thing. You have to move after this tag here. You can see we have just written this thing here. After moving down, you have to now just do one thing here. I will be just now doing I will be just moving here, then give a space from here, and then after giving space, you have to move down and write here ul tag. Then you have to give it the class cd hero. Then I will be writing here slider. Then you have to write here li class and write here selected. Then you have to now just write here div class and write here cd full width. So here I will be now writing here full width like this. Then you have to now write here div class. After writing div class, you have to now just write here container fluid. Then you have to just write here js tm. Then I will be writing here page content. Then you have to now write here data page number, and then here I will be now writing 1. Write here data page type is equals to, and here I will be writing gallery. After writing this tag, you have to now just write here div class, then write here tm image gallery. After writing this, you have to write here container. Then you have to now write here div class, write here tm, write here image gallery, and then you have to write here gallery, and I will be now writing here 1. So here you have to now write here 1 like this. Then you have to just move down, write here div class, then I will be writing tm image gallery. Then I will be now just writing here info, and after writing info, you have to write here container. Then you have to now just write here h2 class, and here I will be writing tm text title. Then here you have to just write tm gallery. Then I will be writing here title tm white. After writing this, you have to write span tag. Then I will be giving it the class tm white. Then you have to just now do one thing here. I will be moving down after this tag, and I will be now writing here multicolor. So here I will be writing image gallery. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to make one thing, like here you have to just move down, write here p tag tm. Then I will be now writing here text. Here you can write random lorem ipsum text which I have written here. Then I will be just making it down, write here div class, and here I will be writing grid item. Then I will be writing here figure tag, give it the class which should be like effect. Then I will be now writing here yoga Then you have to just move down right here, image slash, and in image slash I will be writing tm image1 png. Then here I will be writing class image fluid. So here I will be now writing class image fluid and right here tm image. Now when you've written this, you have to move down right here fig caption, and after writing fig caption, you have to now just move down right here h2 class, right here tm figure, and right here title. Then in center I will be now writing here image span tag, right here 1. Then you have to now just do one thing. I will be moving down right here p tag, then I will be now giving it the class as tm figure, and then I will be now just writing here description like this. Then I will be now just writing here lorem ipsum tag here as well. You can put a small lorem ipsum as well if you want to put here. Then I will be now writing tm image1.jpg like this, which is our image. Then I will be writing view mode, save it and then reload. So you can see now we are just getting all these things here, like we are getting our image. You can see here we are getting this image which is looking good. Now if you want that we should get more image, so I will be copying pasting that same tag here many times. So for copy pasting this same tags here, you have to select this tag from here, and then you have to now just paste till here. After pasting, you can see we have just copy paste this tag many times because I just don't want that my time should be wasted. So because of that I've pasted many times and I've not shown you that. But you can also do one thing, like we have written these all things, just you have to change the image name. You can change it to 432 and then you have to paste it many times. So you can see I've pasted many times here, and after pasting here you can see this is the different images which I've just pasted. After pasting these all images, just you have to hit save button, means you have to press Ctrl S from here. After pressing Ctrl S, you have to just reload here. After reloading, when you will be seeing that your image will be coming here, you can see this. These are the images which we are having, and this is our art and photo gallery which we have just built. Here you can just change some of the things here, like you can change your copyright section, like there it is written any other name. You can write your own name in the copyright section. If I show you, after moving at the top, we have to check that where it is. You can see here it is. So you can just change the copyright section with, you can write here your name. So I will be now writing in design, like I can write my full name. You can write any other name as well if you are having. So you can see, if I now show you, you can see now the copyright section in which the design tag has been changed here, and in design I've written my name because I have designed this project here. And simply like this you can just build these amazing projects here using these all amazing languages. So I hope you understand that how we have built this amazing art and photo gallery using Java, and I hope you understand this video from start and you have learned that how we have just build this amazing project. So if you have understand and enjoy this, you can see this is the project here. This is an amazing art and photo gallery using Java. You can see we are getting a beautiful hover effect on this images which is looking awesome. I've written the lorem ipsum text randomly. You can put any other text as well if you want to put here. Then down we are also getting the social media icons in which we are getting a beautiful effect, but we have just put the effect on the icons name which is written under this. Then at the top we are getting all these, like you can say hover effects on our navbar menus as well, like multi 2, multi 3, our team, keep in touch. Then these are the multicolor image gallery which you will be getting. And if I show you here in mobile, it is also responsive because I have built this using Java, and you all know that when we build anything in Java, it is totally responsive here because Java build projects for mobile as well. So I hope you understand this video here in which we have built this amazing art and photo gallery using Java. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages, because I'll be bringing up more videos like that, and I hope that will be also giving you help. So just I'll be meeting you in next project and more with more amazing things and more cool things. So for today, goodbye.